yesterday we had to stop because the machine went down. Shout out to the people at Home Depot. We returned it and they just gave us another one and restarted the day over. So we back at it again. We got some done yesterday. We finished this front area right here. Took that old tree down I was talking about. But I gotta show y'all something. Cause we brought some of the trees from the back when we was building the road. We go back there and start clearing. We brought some of the trees up, but it's good to walk the property good because when we was cutting trees yesterday, we was dropping them and pulling them out. But we actually found out that it was an apple tree back there already growing. And it had apples on it, man. Felt kind of bad after we had already cut it down. So now we gotta be more careful cause yeah, ain't no telling what kind of trees you cutting down. We don't even know what stump it is, so we was just clearing. So we built the road going down. So today the goal is to finish clearing. We're gonna probably do maybe a half an acre or something like that. But we cleared all of this yesterday. The camera ended up going dead. That's why we stopped filming, but yeah. We ended up clearing a whole road through here. Now today, the goal is to clear all of this right here. We ain't gonna get to this, but we should be able to see down to the pond today. We're gonna finish clearing all of this out. So, finna get at it. Like I say, we gotta keep our eyes up in the trees because we ain't trying to lose another apple tree or nothing like that. But we didn't even know it was back there because everything green. Plus, the apple's green too. So, all right, we finna get started, y'all. And this weekend, we got some dirt brought in. We cleared all the trees from up here at the top on the property. And we went down the hill some. This definitely had to go. So we piled all the trees up there. I brought them up to the top. So, when you purchasing land, you don't know what's on the property, right? So sometimes you gotta walk, but even if you're walking, you still can't see stuff. So as we was clearing, we was finding all kind of like trash piles and we was finding tires and stuff like that. So, but I built a road coming through here and we cleared all the way back towards the pond. I built the road coming around, but we was finding like right here all along there, you got trash just piled up. So I gotta get a dumpster just to put all this in. But you remember all of this was trees. So we cleared all this out and there was trees back here. And then even right here. So you remember I was telling y'all, so this is a crab apple tree. I Googled it or whatever. I don't know if it's always dead, dying, or what, but this is a tree that had the apples on it. And as we was clearing, I found a peach tree back here too. So it's right there. I kept that because I started watching the trees before I was cutting them. And we just cleared and cleared and cleared. The pond sit over here. We ain't finished, it's gonna take some time, but I'm coming back maybe this weekend and we're going that way next. So, and I was just piling everything up here as we cleared all of them trees. So, this is the end result.